Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Welcome to our first tutorial series, Image Classification with Evo AI. Thank you for joining us tonight. My name is Shafia and I am the Business Development Executive at Evo AI Technologies. Evo AI Technologies is a software provider company, particularly in artificial intelligence, and we are super excited to have you here. Ladies and gentlemen, for your information, tonight we are live on 3 platforms, which are LinkedIn, Facebook, and YouTube. Please stay tuned in this 30-minute live tutorial. So in today's tutorial series, we will have Dr. Sai Chongye, our CEO, to introduce about computer vision, and our machine learning engineer will continue with the tutorial of image classification and how the users can utilize it in our platform, Evo AI Web Apps. Now, without further ado, let's have our CEO, Dr. Sai Chongye, on the floor.
Hi, thanks, Shafia. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our live webinar series with Ever AI. In this series, we are going to show you what artificial intelligence is about, and most importantly, what AI can do for you and how AI can improve your life. But what is AI? We define AI, artificial intelligence, as the machine that can learn from data and think like a human being. Sorry, a bit technical problem just now. Well, we define AI as the machine that can learn from data and think like a human being. Let's say that you are looking at me on the screen right now. How do you recognize that you are looking at a monitor or a mobile phone? Or how do you know that you are looking at a person talking in front of the screen? If you just look around you, there are a lot of objects, so many objects that you can instantly recognize, like a keyboard, mouse, your wallet, keys, because you have once seen them before in your life. But can a computer mimic a person and do something similar like that? Can a computer recognize things, objects like apple, orange, tomato, fruits, and vegetables just by looking at it through the camera? Well, using AI, a computer can recognize almost everything as long as you have the data to train the AI model. It can also tell that which objects that the AI is looking at by using the image classification model that we are about to learn today. In fact, there is a lot more than that. The face recognition technology that we have today can instantly recognize who is the person standing in front of the camera with more than 99% accuracy. I'm sure a lot of you have also heard of self-driving cars. Well, self-driving cars actually use the cameras and sensors to recognize cars, people, and other objects on the road so that it can avoid them and drive like a human being. Of course, there is a lot of other application that you can build today with image and video data by using AI. Today, we are going to learn about image classification with our machine learning engineer Shamsuri so that you can also build your own AI model without having to write a single line of code. I'm sure Shamsuri is also excited to share with you what is it about and how you can also be part of the AI revolution, not in the future, but starting today. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Dr. Sai, for the nice speech there for introduction of our computer vision, what we can do with our computer vision. So, hi everyone, good evening. My name is Shamsuri. I'm a machine learning engineer from Evo AI, and today's live is actually to demo you guys about our cool features, which is image classification using our Evo AI no code platform. So, just to inform all viewer, we are doing quizzes in between for giveaway to any of you guys to win the basic plan of our platform and notebook. So the first quiz, we are giving our Ever AI notebook, and the second quiz, you can win the basic plan to our no code platform. Stay with us. Without waiting, let's dive into the content. So I've broken up into 4 parts so you can know how the image process, how the computer see the image, and image classification, also the theory part on how the image gonna classify in image classification model, live demo, and the application of image classification. Let's take a look at this picture. In our eyes, we can see the beautiful scenery with green tree, blue skies, white cloud, and we even know the person on the right is someone thinking about something. But this is gonna be different with how computers see an image because this is how the humans see an image. So how the machine see the image? Machine doesn't see the world the way we see it. To a computer, this image appears as an array square of block known as pixel. That pixel assign a numerical value which indicates the pixel intensity of the pixel. So for this color image, each pixel have 3 values because color image consists of 3 channels, each representing red, green, and blue. Let's take a look at this grayscale image. For a grayscale image or black image or black and white, each pixel have one value ranging between 0 to 255. So this is how computers see an image and extract some useful features from the image, such as color, texture, shape, and edges. So what is image processing in machine? So I would say it's kind of manipulating the information that you get when you take a picture. Usually is to enhance it to so whether that means you can make it clear to be able to kind analyze the information in there, or enhancing in aesthetic way, kind of like Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat filter. If you use that, of course you use that obviously. In other words, it's a process of analyzing and manipulating of the images through codes. So how we derive the information from the image. So it uses a mix of math and computer science. So a lot of this mathematical function that manipulate the different pieces of the image information. And we're going to use this computer science with processing to kind of mix it all together and create our filter. There are various of image processing techniques such as image classification, object detection, image segmentation. So today I'm going to show you how the image classification technique in image processing technique using our no-code Ever AI platform. Before we proceed to live demo, let's dive into a content of image classification. How does it work? So the task of image classification is a really core task in computer vision. And this is something that we're going to show you some demo afterwards on how image classification work. So fundamentally, when you are doing image classification, your system receives some input image, which in this case, we have some cute cat and the cute dog as an example. And the system is aware the predetermined set of category or label such as cat and dog. We are assigned that label. And in image classification, we have to assign class label or categories to an image. So the job of computer is to look at the picture, searching all the picture that we have learned, that we have assigned, and look it into one of the fits category label. This seems like an easy problem for human to identify because human are hardwired to see these pictures. So we straightly know, okay, this is cat, this is dog. But for computer, this is actually hard problem. So if we go back to the how computer see an image, the computer doesn't get this holistic idea of this picture of cat and dog. Otherwise, the computer see this an image as a big gigantic set of array. So the computer solve this problem is to compute the set of array into probability and get the highest probability to get of those image belong to what label. And okay, here then first quizzes I'm going to give way to you guys. As usual, in our life, we are setting 30 seconds for you guys to answer the quiz. So get ready, be prepared, be alert. I'm gonna start now. All right, the first quiz, 30 seconds start from now. Quiz 1, is computers see images in pixel, a true or false? I think we get an answer here. Who's this fastest one? All right, our team will announce the winner. Thank you for answering. So yeah, we have the winner right here, Encik Helmi Shafri. So your answer is true, and the answer is true. Thank you for answering that, Helmi Shafri. Our team will contact you shortly. All right. Okay, next I will show you how the demo of the image classification work in our Ever AI no-code platform. So this is a rough idea of how you can make your image classification model in our platform. So you can add a new image project, then you can assign a label to an image, add your image, and set your hyperparameter. Straightly away train your model. No brainer, no brainer. There's no coding. So yep, it will be easy for you guys to explore and play around with our Ever AI no-code platform. So this is a demo. Welcome to our demo of image classification features. Navigate to our use cases to begin your image classification project. Start your project by clicking this plus sign button. Then name your image project and description of the project.
For demo purposes, I name the project as animal. After you have done name the project, click the project and assign label name to image you want the machine to learn. In this animal project, I add 3 labels to assign, which are dog, cats, and cow. Click on the name label assign and upload your images. You can upload the image on the manage your image plus sign button on the right side. Then you can start uploading your image. Satisfied with your uploaded image? Go to the hyperparameter settings to set your hyperparameter right here. For demo purposes, I set the batch size 8 and epoch number with 10. Happy with your setting? Click train your model to start training the model. Wait for the model to complete the training. Click on the 3 layers button for result and testing of our model. Here you can see the result with accuracy of the model. Test your model with our testing playground and see how the prediction give the result to us. First, we're gonna test with dog images and execute the prediction. Let us try with one more images, which is cow, and do the same. You can deploy the model by clicking the cloud button on the action section and deploy now to deploy in API level as well in web URL interface.
All right, that's all about our image classification demo. So yeah, you get guys can see it's easy and no brainer. You just upload your image and then use hyperparameter settings for the accuracy. So I did mention the hyperparameter. So right now I'm going to explain is what is hyperparameter in machine learning model. So hyperparameter generally is to maximize the model performance and minimizing the predefined loss function to produce a better result with fewer errors, which means you can maximize it into a better accuracy. So hyperparameters are variables that are used to control the training process of machine learning model. They are passed as argument to the algorithm that control the training process, such as learning rate and momentum. So in this case, uh, in this machine learning model of image classification, we are providing you guys is batch size and the epoch number. So what is batch size? Batch size denotes the number of sample processed for each time training iteration, which means an 8 pictures going like before this I show you guys 8 numbers of samples, so 8 number of group going to one iteration. So epoch number is the next the epoch number is the denote number of training iteration on the supervised learning, which means how many times it iterate in the machine learning model. All right, the next will be our next last quizzes. So this one you guys can win our basic plan for our no code ever AI platform. So get ready. As usual, I will set 30 seconds for you guys to answer the quizzes. Okay, you guys ready? Okay, starting now. Quiz number 2, which of the following are hyperparameter? So you might select two of the following. First is batch size, B is epoch, C images, D is supervised learning. So please provide two answer in the chat. Okay, time's up. I think we get the answer here. Thank you for uh, participate in our quizzes. Thank you, thank you. Okay, the answer is batch size and epoch. Good, easy. Alright. Okay, Mr. Hafiz. So you want the basic plan subscription. So our team will contact you shortly afterwards. And I think we are reaching the end right now. So I will explain on the application of what you can do with image classification model in computer vision in general. So if you guys see about the application in medical imaging, the diagnostic scan like MRI, ultrasound, and X-ray can be analyzed using image processing and machine learning technique to detect some life-threatening disease like brain tumor and cancer. So at very early stage, which can help save many lives. So this X-ray or this MRI will scan the cancer cell, so you will know between the cell is benign or malignant. So yeah, it's a better accuracy using uh, a machine learning technique to identify this cancer. There are many others various of industry using this application in the healthcare industry. In automotive industry, we have self-driving car that drive by itself without any driver. The technology actually helps the car to self-drive by see and comprehend the world surround it by help of computer vision. So the leading company right here, right now, you can see uh, is Tesla. So Tesla is a leading company in computer visions. So, yep, I think, all right. That's all about using image classification in our platform. So thank you staying with us. As for now, we give back the stage to Safia.
Thank you, Shamsuri. That was a clear explanation to image classification and how the user can utilize it in our AI platform. We hope you will finally understand and gain new knowledge on it. Before we go ahead with Q&A session, we would like to tell you guys some important announcements. So now we currently have three types of subscription plan. Okay, so now we currently have three types of subscription plan, which is free forever, student plan with 99 ringgit only, and basic plan with RM 899 ringgit. And we can give you 30% discount on subscription for 1 year and 1 month free plan for the plan that you have chose. Alright, and then you can still sign up for our free forever plan because we open our quota for 100 users more, and we also offer a corporate and then we also offer a corporate training plan which is called AI for Business with 10 topics that are suitable for business and corporate to explore how to manage data using no code artificial intelligence. And the next one is Train the Trainer, which is called AI for Education. that focus on teachers or academic sectors to expose the student with artificial intelligence and AI as one of the tools to manage the data. Both of these workshop will be conducted in 2 days, which is 6 hours per day and exclusively for your group only. And we have two type of promotion, which is the first one, you can get the workshop for free with 3-month contract of AI basic subscription per person. Or the second one is you can pay 6,000 ringgit per group up to 20 pairs and get AI free forever plan plus 7 days of basic plan up to 20 users. And for this promotion, you can save up to RM 200 ringgit per pair. And next, you might want to lock this price because the promotion is up until 10 November 2022 only. And you can book a call now by scanning this QR code for more demo and further queries. So now we will straight away take some time for questions. And yep, if you have any questions, please write down in the comment. We are still waiting for questions. Okay, so the first questions come from Inju. How details or further can AI detect the image? Maybe Dr. Sai and Shamsuri would like to answer this question.
Yeah, Shamsuri, you want to take this question? How details and further can AI detect the images? I think currently we support image classification, and you can train your image classification model and also deploy it in the platform. And yeah, I think in the future we will support more on the like more advanced image model like object detection, face recognition, and then you have image segmentation. Now, actually, if you all notice, there are this AI that can generate artwork. I'm sure some of you have seen that. It's called using a GAN, generative adversarial network. So yeah, these are like more advanced AI model, and for sure in future we will cater for this more advanced AI model.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Dr.
and
Sai.
for the corporate training plan, yeah, now we are introducing our corporate training plan where you can learn about AI and quickly identify which area that is suitable for you to use AI in your business operation. So in just 2 days, you will learn all the basics about AI and AI for business. And from there, you can immediately build and deploy your AI model immediately after the training using our AI platform. So you don't have to worry about all the coding, all the setup, all the server. And don't have to worry about buying a powerful computer to run the AI. You can just subscribe to our platform, and immediately, right after the training, you can train and deploy your own AI model. So this is what our offer is about.
Okay, thank you
Yeah,
so much, Dr. Sai,
anything
for
to
the
add?
answer. Maybe we can take one more questions before we end our live. Okay.
Yeah, actually, we are having a huge discount and promotion right now for our corporate training plan. And we also cater for the education institutions as well. So if you are a university or even like secondary or primary schools and looking to have this AI education for the students, we also have students plan and trainings and workshops, teachings for all the students as well. Yeah, in fact, we will be also teaching a few schools in the next week. I will be at MISM Pasir Salak, and I'll be introducing AI to these students from the MISM. And there are a lot of opportunity on learning AI, and there are a lot of things that you can do if you have learned AI and you have the power at your hand to build your own AI model without having to do any programming at all. Yeah, I think we have some comment.
Okay, another question is from Amira Tamizi. How many images a AI can train in one time? Maybe, yep.
Sham, you want to take the question?
Uh, the images that you can train is many as you can. It doesn't matter how many size is it. It depends on how subscription, the plan subscription that you are in what plan in our subscription, such as if you are in the basic plan, we are giving like 30 gigabyte in cloud storage. So the cloud storage, so the image that you can upload is actually also the 30 gigabyte. So it's a large image, but I don't think that you will upload that much more image in it in those platform. But I can give to you that you can upload as many as you can in our platform. So you can send like 100 to 100 images. So it depends on how many images you want to train. Yep.
Thank you, Shamsuri, for the answer. Okay, another one is what if I do not have 20 people in my companies to join the workshop? Okay, so
All
for
right.
this one, I'll
Yeah.
answer.
Yeah. Please, Shaf. Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay, I'll answer it first. Actually, we can plan to combine two companies in one workshop session. So just let us know your concern due to less participants. Yep. Or maybe Dr. Sai want to add
Yeah.
anything?
Just contact us and we can arrange a special plan for you.
Yep. Hope that answering your questions. So we do not have any more questions. We will go ahead. It looks like we have covered all our questions. It means that we have finally come to the end of today's tutorial. So before that, I'm going to announce once again the winner of our giveaway. And the winners are Mr. Helmi Shafri and Mr. MH Hafiz Hussein. Please message us privately your details for us to proceed with your prize delivery. And ladies and gentlemen, thank you everyone. We appreciate you for being here. Kindly join our Telegram channel for more info on how to sign up and get fast updates regarding Evo AI. Now everyone can do AI.